Alright everyone, in this video we're going to go over HTML divs. And what divs are HTML tags that split up your content so everything does not run into each other and you can place items all over the page. And within this video we're going to go ahead and do some quotes, and that we can see how we can produce different quotes. So as you can see, we're going to go over short quotes, block quotes, address quotes, and site quotes. And these are inside of a comment. So what you want to do is create a div by just writing div inside of the right and left arrows. And then we'll go ahead and create a block quote or a short quote real quick. This is a short quote named, and short quotes go inside of a Q tag, and we'll name it short quote as the quote. We'll save it, open up in the browser, and you can see the short quote put quotations around the word short quote. So whatever I put inside the Q will have quotations. So now I'm going to make another div, and we'll make a block quote. So this will be a block quote. In order to write a block quote, we'll use the tag block quote, and then we'll write a little quote up in here. I'll do Lorem Ipsum. Save it, and we'll take a look at it. You can see this will be a block quote, and you see the Lorem Ipsum in there. This is good for when you're quoting the author. You see this in books a lot. Pretty easy to use. The next quote we're going to work on is an address quote. So let's say you want to write your address. So my address is, let me put that in the paragraph tag. My address is, and I'm going to keep this inside of the paragraph tag. So now I'm going to use the address tag, use my name, and in order for it to not be on the same line, you want to use a BR tag, which is a break. It's kind of like hitting enter on your computer. So my first name, my address, Houston Street, and this is not a real street, I'm just making it up. And city, state, Houston, Texas, 77001. Save it. Go back to our page, refresh it. Now you see my address is kind of italicized because I used the address tag. And since I used the BR tag, the break tag, every part of the address is on its own line. And now we have one more div. It's a site quote. So in this I'm going to use an image. And I have a folder here called images with the Houston Texans picture in it. So in the source, I'm just going to go to the path images / Houston Texans.jpg. And I want to set the height to 250 pixels and the width to the same. And we'll go over this stuff in the next module. So there's my image, and now I want to add a site, It's kind of like when you're looking at pages in books and they have like a little reference under it, where it was taken and what year and stuff like that. Houston Texans football. So I'll do that. I'll actually put in a paragraph tag. So we can see it. Celebrating a touchdown. So I'll save that. So now I have the picture of the Houston Texans. Here's my site. And then here's my regular text. So site gives it a little it italicizes it also. So what we went over today in this video was we created some divs, and then we used short quotes using the Q tag. We used block quotes using the block quote tag. We used address quotes using the address tag, and we used the site quotes using the site tag. And we put all these in divs to keep them in their own little section so they won't get mixed up. And then once we get into CSS, you can see how we will manipulate divs to make them look pretty awesome and do some crazy things with them. All right, thank you.